Alright, let's take a look at the activity in Lesson 8 for sprites. Under the practice activities, this one's called Debug Sprites Animation Error. So again, when we look at sprites, we want to make sure that the spellings are correct. So we declared our variable up here with it. We're going to create it at this location. And then this is the name down here. So it looks like this is the one that has the error. So as we look through this, you have Sprite 1, and this is Sprite 1, so this is spelled correctly. And you do have over here that we spelled out Tyrannosaurus. Now it does, when you have a word that lengthy, it's possible that as we type this out that we didn't type it correctly. We'll go over here to animation, and we can kind of look down here and look at Tyrannosaurus. It's just kind of a lengthy word. It does look like, that we maybe have two N's here. And if we go back to our code, we have two N's. We only have one here. So if you just, sometimes you might spell those incorrectly, and that's why it doesn't work. The other thing with this too is you could just select this, and whatever animations that you have in here are going to be loaded up here. So instead of trying to type this out, you could just actually click on this and that would work. All right. So then we got another one down here where Sprite Grass 2 has not been declared. So we have Sprite 5, set animation to Grass 2. Well, let's go over here to animation. See if we got Grass 1, we got Grass 2. Now that should work, right? So we got Sprite 5, Grass 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got these, look like they should work. Let's go ahead and run those a second. So we do get an error. It says unable to find the animation named Sun. So a lot of times, good thing we kind of ran that. So it does come up with the error here, but if we notice, there is no animation set for Sun. So let's go over here for animation. So here's Sun, but it's capitalized. So let's go back to code. And we'll go ahead and make sure that this is capitalized and where this one is not. All right. And then we'll go ahead, we'll just kind of go through here. We'll do Grass 1. And we have Grass 2. Now notice we don't have an error here yet. So we have Grass 3. And just to make sure, we have a Grass 4. Let's go take a look at our animations. We have a Grass 1, 2, and a 4. We do not have a Grass 3. So that's what's coming up when we run that we get that error. So let's go ahead and switch this to Grass 4. And then that should be good for us. You really just have to make sure that you have these spelled correctly. And when you set the animation, make sure you type these in correctly. And it might be if you type them in that maybe it looks like, this one accidentally did Grass 3, when really if we go over here to animation, it should be Grass 4, not Grass 3. Quite a simple mistake, but those things do happen. All right, there you go. Good luck with your coding.